Welcome to Mauritius, a piece of paradise. In this video, we'll show you why Mauritius is one of the most loved destinations for Indians. Emerald lagoons, volcanic peaks, sugarcane fields swaying in the breeze, pink pigeons found nowhere else on earth, giant waterfalls, coral reefs, dodo tails. Just 6.5 hours from India's major airports, it's also visa-free for Indians. Stay hooked till the end because we'll reveal more interesting information, including the best places to visit, hidden gems, food spots, who it's perfect for, and how to plan it smartly as an Indian traveler. Is this your kind of escape? If you love nature, trek through rainforests, waterfalls, and crater lakes. Explore the ocean by diving into coral kingdoms or swimming alongside dolphins. Culture enthusiasts will enjoy stepping into temples, colonial mansions, colorful markets, and a UNESCO-recognized legacy. Hopeless romantics, sunset yachts, candlelit beach dinners, and floating breakfasts will make you fall in love deeper, because here, dreamy is just the beginning. If you just want to indulge, choose a luxury resort with access to private beaches, infinity pools, and world-class spas. Best places you can't miss. First up is Port Louis, the island's capital. It is famous for bustling waterfront promenades, spice-scented markets, and colonial charm, from French cheeses to elegant mansions. Must visit. Caudan Waterfront, for shopping, casinos, dining, cafes, and sunsets over the harbour. Blue Penny Museum, home to one of the world's rarest stamps. And Fort Adelaide, also known as the Citadel, for sweeping views over the colourful city. Next is Grand Bay, Mauritius's party town and beach escape. By day, it's all about water sports, yacht clubs, and boat trips. By night, it calls for sunset sails, lively bars, and beach clubs. Must visit. Sunset cruises to glide along the waters, ending the day with a magnificent view. Snorkeling trips to explore vibrant coral gardens just offshore. And cruise to Northern Isles, exploring 3 islands on a scenic Northern Island cruise from Grand Bay. Now comes Chamarel and South Mauritius, a natural wonderland with colors and contrasts everywhere. Must visit. 7 Colored Earths, a surreal landscape of rainbow-hued sand dunes. Chamarel Waterfall, cascading 100 meters into lush forest. And Roumerie de Chamarel, to taste locally distilled rum straight from the source. Then there's Le Mont Brabant, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Once a refuge for escaped slaves, it's now a hiker's paradise. From the summit, turquoise lagoons stretch below, and the famous underwater waterfall illusion leaves you awestruck. Must visit. Hiking the mountain to trek the slopes of this historic landmark for panoramic views. Kite surfing, riding the waves at one of the world's top kite surfing spots. Seaplane or helicopter rides to see the underwater waterfall and coastline from the sky. And Le Morne Cliffs, where southwest cliffs meet turquoise waters, offering breathtaking views and ideal conditions for kite surfing. Next, the postcard-perfect Île aux Cerfs, an island just off the coast. Think turquoise waters, fine white sand, and adventure activities all in one. Must visit. Catamaran cruises to sail to the island and soak in the stunning views. Parasailing to glide over crystalline lagoons for a bird's-eye perspective. And beachside barbecues to relax, eat, and unwind on the pristine shores. Then there's Blue Bay, a tropical haven of calm waters, marine wonders, and picturesque sunset views. Must visit. Blue Bay Marine Park to snorkel among vibrant coral gardens and colorful marine life. And finally, Flick and Flack, a West Coast paradise for beaches, water sports, wildlife adventures, and sunset views. And perfect for those who want to play hard, unwind harder, and explore nearby natural wonders. Must visit Casella Nature Park, also called Casella World of Adventures. Famous for safari rides, zip lines, lions, giraffes, zebras, giant Aldabra tortoises, quad biking, and bicycle zip lines. And water sports, including kite surfing, paddleboarding, tube riding, and undersea walks. Hidden gems of Mauritius. Most Indian voyagers regret missing these spots. Screenshot this so you don't. 1. Black River Gorges National Park, a paradise for hikers. Forest trails, hidden waterfalls, and views that stretch to the ocean. Keep an eye out for pink pigeons and macaque monkeys. 2. Grand Basin, Ganga Talao, a sacred crater lake with a towering Lord Shiva statue. During Mahashivratri, devotees walk barefoot for miles to pay respect. 3. Mahebog, laid back and deeply Creole. Colonial houses, quiet fishing villages, and the National History Museum that tells the island's story. 4. Curupip, cooler in altitude and rich in charm. Curupip is home to the dormant volcanic crater True Osiris, offering panoramic views of the island. Wander through colonial architecture, explore local textile shops, and admire the artisanal craftsmanship of ship model workshops. Don't miss the town's lush botanical gardens for a serene escape. And 5. Bois Charity Factory, the heart of Mauritius's tea tradition. Tour the plantation, see the tea making process, and end with a tasting session overlooking lush green hills and misty valleys. Bucket list stops. Don't miss these icons. Sunset at True Obiche. Eureka House, a colonial Creole mansion with lush gardens. Apravasi Ghat, a UNESCO site honoring indentured laborers. Albion Lighthouse for beautiful sunsets. Mont Choisy Beach for a stroll. And Blue Bay's rare blue coral, found only in this protected marine sanctuary. Quick stops you'll love. 1. Lavanil Nature Park. Crocodiles, giant tortoises, and more. Set along serene walking trails, perfect for a relaxed stroll. 2. Pamplemousses Botanical Garden. Giant water lilies, exotic palms, and serene paths showcasing Mauritius's lush flora. 3. Tamarin Bay. Swim with dolphins or enjoy guided kayaking along calm waters. 4. Tamarind Falls. 7 cascading waterfalls, ideal for hiking, photography, and a refreshing escape into nature. 5. Pointe d'Esny. Pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and peaceful coastal walks. 6. Île aux Bénitiers. Swim with dolphins and enjoy a beachside barbecue at Benitier's Island near Black River. And 7. La Vallée de Fernie, home to stunning waterfalls, rich flora and fauna, including the pink pigeons. Voya Pro Tip. In Mauritius, shops close early, around 5 p.m. and restaurants by 9 p.m. So plan your evenings accordingly. Photo-worthy corners. Infinity pools overlooking endless lagoons. Crystal rock floating in turquoise water. Peter Both Peak panoramic summit views. And 23 colored earth sand dunes in rainbow hues. For more such travel tips, follow our Instagram and Facebook page. Once-in-a-lifetime experiences. 1. Kite surfing off Belmare. 2. Quad biking through sugarcane fields. 3. Creole spa therapies with bamboo sticks. 4. Horseback riding along scenic trails. 5. Undersea walk among marine life. 6. Tube riding on gentle waters. 7. Paddleboarding over turquoise lagoons. 8. Lipus guided hiking adventures. 9. Whale watching in open waters. 10. Scuba diving to explore coral reefs. And 11. Kayaking, swimming, or watching dolphins in their home. Taste and indulge. Dholpuri and tropical fruit medley. Drinks you can't miss. Sugarcane juice, vanilla tea, Mauritian rum, and Alauda. Vegetarian? Mauritius is vegetarian friendly. From temple prasad to street side snacks, you'll never go hungry. Most locals speak Bhojpuri, Hindi or Tamil, so don't hesitate to ask for vegetarian. You can try vegetable curries, fried rice, or lentil soups. Shopping and souvenirs. Mauritian rum, vanilla flavored is a favorite. Handcrafted model ships, vanilla pods, and tea from Bois Sherry. Dodo bird souvenirs, and colorful beach sarongs and local art. Voya Pro Tip. It's illegal to carry seashells home, so take only memories, not nature. Travel like a pro. Best time to visit? Fun fact, summers in India are winters in Mauritius, so plan your holiday accordingly. May to September, cooler, dry, and ideal for exploring. January to March, best avoided because it's the cyclone season. April, October, November. Occasional rain, but pleasant weather with manageable humidity. 2. How many days do you need? 5 to 7 days for a good balance of beaches, adventure, and culture. 8 to 10 days for an immersive experience. Getting around? Self-driving cars or taxis are easiest. Buses are cheap but slow. For ultimate comfort, Voya arranges private transfers and excursions. Voya safety tip: it's best to avoid driving at night in rural areas. What to pack? Light cotton clothes, swimwear, reef-safe sunscreen, comfy shoes for hikes, and a light jacket for cooler evenings in the mountains. Don't forget to carry a universal adapter and mosquito repellent. Pocket-friendly hacks: eat at local snack shops such as Gato Piedmont. Buy duty-free rum and vanilla. Plan your activities in advance as excursions can add up quickly. Still unsure? Chat with your Voya holiday manager to get a personalized itinerary for Mauritius, or visit the Create Your Itinerary section to craft your holiday your way in just a few clicks.
Join the sun, the sand, and the sea. Plan your dream beach vacation with Voya.com.
If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.